Now, if you go on YouTube right now and search for dropshipping, you'll find thousands of videos teaching dropshipping, and many of them have millions of views. Why? Because millions of people already know that dropshipping can make serious money and that people are literally becoming millionaires doing it. But the biggest problem for most people is this: they don't understand how to manage everything. There's a lot of money in dropshipping, but you have to do it smartly. So first things first, you need to come to this website. As soon as you land on it, you'll see something like this on your screen. I'll put the website link in both the description and the comment section, so you can just click and come directly here. Let me tell you the most important points. First, inside Doba, you get access to millions of products from pre-checked, reliable suppliers, and a huge part of their inventory is already stored in US warehouses. That's why shipping is much faster and more consistent for customers in the US. Doba also connects really smoothly with platforms like Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, Wix, and more. Everything stays synced automatically, from inventory updates to order fulfillment, so you're not constantly checking things manually. When it comes to finding products, this is where Doba really shines. If you scroll down even further, you'll also see reviews from other dropshippers. You can check those out too. Now let's talk about what you actually need to do next. As soon as you come to the website, the very first thing you need to do is create an account. It's super easy. Just enter your basic details and you're done. Once your account is created, you'll see a dashboard with different options. Don't worry, you don't need to hold any stock at all. I'll show you clearly how you can sell products online without keeping inventory. When you're on the website, you'll see many options. But the first thing you need to do is choose a product, something you personally like and want to list in your store. Let me explain. At the top, you'll see an option called AI Picker. When you click on it, AI helps you find products. For example, if I search in the fragrance category, you'll see multiple products appear. These are products that already perform really well on TikTok. So if you want to list products on your TikTok shop, you'll find multiple high-performing options here. You'll also see Temu selections. And if you go to the top ranking or top seller section, you'll find products that are currently trending and selling the most. Besides that, you'll also find a most popular section here. This shows you all the products that have already performed really well in the past. You'll also see hot picks, which you can check out as well. Or if you want to focus on maximum profit, you can click on the high profit section and see products that give you the highest margins. You can also click on new arrivals to see the latest products that were just added. And these usually perform really well too. On top of that, if you click the More button, you'll unlock even more categories. And if you look at the top, you'll notice a drop-down menu. When you click on it, you can choose products category-wise. You can explore outdoor products, clothing, kids products, sports, and even pet products. For example, if I click on pets, you'll see a lot of subcategories, especially dog-related products, like dog toys. These are extremely trending, and people love them. The same goes for cat toys. You'll find multiple products here that are going viral right now. You can even create videos for these products and post them on social media to drive traffic. And these videos tend to perform insanely well because today, there are so many pet lovers, especially dog and cat lovers. Now, first of all, you're completely free to choose products according to your preference. Let's say I click on any product and then click Add to Inventory List. That product will instantly be added to my inventory. After that, I can simply click View Inventory List and see the product there. And you can see complete product details. From here, you can list the product in your store, add it to cart, download it, or remove it. Now, as soon as I click List to Store, you'll see that I can choose my Shopify store from here. The product is now ready to be listed. At this point, you can write your own product title or use the AI optimizer, which automatically creates the best optimized title for you. Next, you can add tags. Since this product is related to dogs, I'll add dog-related tags. Along with that, you can add taxes product type product category. All the basic settings can be handled right here. After that, you'll see the description option. Here, you can manually edit the description, and once again, you'll notice the AI optimizer here too. Next, you'll see the variants section. Here you can select which colors you want to offer. Set your selling price. Instantly see your profit margin on the side. You can adjust the price however you want. After that, you can go to the images section. Here, you can choose which images you want to keep, which ones you want to remove. Once that's done, you simply click List Now, and the product gets listed on your store instantly. When you click on the Store button, you'll see multiple options to connect your store. You can directly connect these platforms, and after that, you can list your products there with just one click. If you don't have any store at all, you can simply use the AI Store Builder. Just click the button, select a few options, and it will build your entire store in one click. You'll also find an option called AI Tool Hub. When you click on it, you'll see all of Doba's AI features. If you scroll down further, you'll also see the Tutorial Center. From here, you can clearly understand how everything works. If you ever need help, you'll find step-by-step guidance on connecting your store, listing products, managing your store. Everything is explained properly so you never get stuck. So, just a moment ago, you can also join Doba's referral program. If you join the referral program and recommend Doba to someone, and they join using your referral link, you can earn up to 30% commission on their subscription. Every time they pay, you get paid. There are many more features here as well. The more you explore on your own, the better you'll understand. You'll also see a wallet option. Inside the wallet, you can add balance using credit card, debit card, bank account, Payoneer prepaid options. Make sure to check all of these once. Now let's talk about the subscription. You'll see a bunch of different plans here, but if you want, you can also grab a trial for just 99 cents. Besides that, there are basic, standard, enterprise, and a few other plans. You can check them out and pick what works best for you. I'll also try to add a discount code in the description, so make sure to apply it to get a nice discount. So don't wait. Join now. I've dropped the link in both the description and the comments.